Ponsanilla of Bernardes Subdivision, Mulawin 1, Bitas, Cabanatuan City, and the daughter of Mr. Noel Ponsanilla and Mrs. Lynn Tracy Ponsanilla. Fashion performer number 23 is Mika McLaren L. Talent of Vega, Bongabong, Nueva Ecija, the son of Mr. Casper M. Talent and Dr. Veron L. Talent. Performer number 24 is Patricia Therese A. Villasan of Avida Residence, Santa Arcadia, Cabanatuan City, the daughter of Mr. Rosario A. Villasan